Yeah, hey everyone, this is Dwayne, and I'm back on the Impala today. Um, kind of in a kind of one last attempt to try to get these AC doors to do the recalibration procedure. Um, I tried it the other day, and it actually wouldn't do it. But I wanted to tell you a little bit of history and kind of my thinking on this problem. Um, but when it had originally had this problem about 4 years ago, it was when the battery in the car at the time was like on its last leg and going bad. And so I had replaced that battery and it was still having this problem. So I found this recalibration procedure on my scan tool, and I did the recalibration, and that seemed to fix the problem. As far as I can remember, I, I don't think it had that problem over the course of about 4 years. It might have done it one other time, and I might have recalibrated it one other time, and that fixed it again. I don't remember exactly, but it seems like I might have had to recalibrate it one other time, but um, then didn't have any other problems with it until just a couple months ago when that other battery that I had replaced at that time 4 years ago or so, that battery was going bad and on its last leg and dying, and that's when this problem started happening again. But then I replaced that battery a month or so ago, and it's still having this problem. So kind of what I was thinking is that maybe over time, somehow the computer loses the calibration for these doors and has to relearn it. I'm not really sure how that works, but um, I remember doing that procedure the first time, and thinking, okay, well that's cool. If I have this problem again, I can just do this recalibration procedure, and um, that'll hopefully fix the problem. And it seems like it did for about 4 years. And It seems like I might have had to do it one other time, but I honestly don't remember. I might be imagining that. But I remember, or I don't honestly remember, but it seems like the last time I did this recalibration procedure, the what it does is it just the HVAC module will basically cycle all of the AC doors open and closed, and then I guess that's how it learns the open and closed positions. And you can see right here on the scan tool, um, there's the function for recalibrate all motors right there. And when you do that, yeah, the HVAC module will basically just cycle all the doors open and closed, and that's when it relearns their positions, I guess. And to the best of my memory, that's what I did last time, and it cycled all the doors, and then I didn't have the problem again, or I might have had it one other time, and I think I did this recalibration procedure again. But when I tried to do it the other day, it just didn't do anything, which is kind of another indicator to me that there's problems with that HVAC module, that there's internal problems with it, with the software or something. For some reason, it doesn't want to do the recalibration procedure. So that's another indicator to me that this HVAC module is bad. So I was gonna try to give it a one last try right now and just see if it will if it will try to recalibrate at all or not. And if it don't, then I'm still, everything's still pointing to that there's something wrong with this HVAC module internally. So here it is right here. I can't really see that very good. I don't know if you can either, but command state none. Then there's an option down here to do the recalibration. Hit on and it should go through the procedure. So procedure in progress, and this command is on, and yeah, absolutely nothing's happening. None of the doors are moving at all. So yeah, in my mind, that's just another sign that there's something wrong internally with that HVAC module. Try it again. Procedure in progress, and it's on, but it's proceeding to do nothing. So yeah, I just wanted to give that one last try and give you a little bit of history on that and my thinking of what might have been causing this problem. But anyway, yeah, that's probably about all I got on this one. Not a real exciting video, but just figured I'd post that for anyone interested or who might want to watch it. But I planned on scoping that actuator today. I'll probably get to that here in a little while. So I'll probably do another video on just using the scope and seeing the operation of that door on the scope, and show you like some of the kind of cool things you can see using a scope. But anyway, yep, that's it for this one.